Hi guys, sorry this video is just a little bit late. I might say fourth time's the charm. So, welcome to the week of October 7th through October 13th. Can't believe it's already October 13th. So, for our weekly checklist, just a reminder, this is just a checklist and you need to go to Schoology for some more information. In class, my virtual and my in-class students, we are going to review the STEMscopedia annotations. At first, we will also be doing a Kahoot in class to kind of get ready for our test. Then we're going to take the Topic 1 Atomic Structure Post Quiz. After you finish that, we will take the Physical and Chemical Properties Pre-Quiz. If you're a virtual student, then I would like for you to wait until I talk to you guys on the Zoom on Thursday. On Thursday, we will review the STEMscopedia and do the Kahoot. And then on Friday, I plan on having you do the Topic 1 and Topic 2 quizzes. Our online assignments this week, first of all, the most important thing to study for your quiz. You can look over your STEMscopedia annotations. You can use other materials that are posted on Schoology, like the Kahoot that I posted. I also posted a Quizlet. The Quizlet is very good because they're flashcards of the vocabulary words for the unit. For the next unit, I would like for you to answer the discussion investigative phenomenon. We are going to be talking about physical and chemical properties. And then I would like for you to do the activating prior knowledge. Both of those are going to be found on Schoology as well. In purple, please notice it says all missing work for topic 1 must be submitted by your test time. The reason for that is that I want you to be able to study and do the work that is related to the structure of matter so that after your test, you can start on the next topic, which is the physical and chemical properties, and be concentrating on that. If you have any questions, then you feel free to email me or send me a message on the team meet. Do not forget that you need to email me when you turn some work in. If we look at the Schoology, first of all, you can see your online assignments are right here. Please be sure to kind of check Schoology every morning in case I add something. Just kind of flip to it and look. Here is the same things that I kind of talked to you guys a little bit about when we first get in the classroom. We are going to be kind of going over your STEMscopedia a little bit. So I do want you to take a look at it and look at your annotations. Anything that you had highlighted in yellow or red, I want you to pay attention to and see if maybe you can change that to a green if you know the information. Here's your investigative phenomenon discussion and activating prior knowledge. Then you have your in-person assignments or on Zoom if you're virtual. We're going to review the notes and annotations, probably do a Kahoot or Quizlet live. And then you will have your post quiz. If virtual, I'm going to kind of go over some instructions on the Zoom with you. And then a physical and chemical properties pre-quiz. We will be able to go to your science data finder and log your pre-quiz scores and your new goal for the physical and chemical properties quiz. We have to wait until after I grade the short answer for the structure of matter post-quiz to log your post-quiz scores. Down here it says, please send me an email when you submit your missing work. And there's an atomic structure Kahoot and your structure of matter. One other thing to point out that I kind of changed on your guys's Schoology post here is that the quiz which is not a quiz, it's just a study game for you, had a due date. I can only post it in there for a certain amount of time, and the due date was up last night at midnight. It kind of expired, or maybe early this morning. And so if that is still missing and you want to do your quizzes and get that in, you will need to use this new code down here. If you are going to make up the Ed puzzle and you do not have that turned in and it is missing in Infinite Campus, you can scroll down for the login for your class. Okay, please send me an email when you submit any missing work. If you do your Ed puzzle, if you do your quizzes, or if you do your study guide or anything else that was missing in Infinite Campus, please make sure that you send me an email so that I will know to go back and look at it, because I don't get some kind of notice or something that it is done. Okay, hope you all have a fantastic week, and if you have any questions, please email me.